Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the essentials you need to bring when traveling from Western countries to stunning Philippines. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first international adventures, these 10 items are must-haves to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. So let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about the basics. Passport, tickets, and travel insurance. These are your golden trio for any international travel. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date. And always have a physical and digital copy of the passport. If you're looking for a travel insurance, you can check out down the links in the description of the video. Now, let's move on to something equally important. It's power adapters. The Philippines uses Type A and Type B sockets. So grab a universal adapter to keep your gadgets charged and up and ready for the adventure. Another important thing is to stay connected because it's crucial, right? So bring along a Wi-Fi device or a SIM card that is enabled in the foreign countries if you do not plan to buy a SIM card in the Philippines. You can buy it in the airport. There are two major SIM players, GSM operators. One is Smart and the other one is Globe. Now let's talk about comfort. The Philippines is known for its tropical climate, so pack lightweight, breathable clothing. Don't forget your swimwear for those crystal clear beaches and the water activities. Moving on to health essentials. A basic first aid kit is a travel essential. Include medications, insect repellent, and any personal prescriptions you may need, because it's better to be safe than sorry. Next up, sunscreen. With the tropical sun in full force, protecting your skin is a top priority. So grab a high SPF sunscreen to keep your skin safe from those sunny rays. Exploring the Philippines means capturing breathtaking moments. Make sure you bring a good camera or smartphone with ample storage space. You don't want to miss out on these Instagram-worthy shots, Now, let's talk about money. While credit cards are widely accepted, it's always a good idea to carry some local currency for the places that might not accept cards. And remember, Philippines are the cash society, so cash is king. And if you go out of major cities, you will definitely need enough cash to pay for your food, drinks, and sometimes even the hotels. If you do bring cards, be sure to inform your bank about it and your travel plans to avoid any issues. Now for the ninth essential, a good Daypack. Whether you're heading to bustling markets or going on an island hopping adventure, a compact Daypack will keep your essentials close and secure. However, in the touristic places, you can buy these bags and also the water-resistant bags, but beware, they might have been on the sun too long time and can already be a little bit deteriorated, so better to bring one from your own country. And last but not least, an open mind and a sense of adventure. The Philippines are diverse and culturally rich destinations, so embrace the local customs, the new foods, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the islands. And there you have it, folks, the 10 essentials you need to bring when traveling to the Philippines from Western countries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Until next time, happy travels! By the way, you can check some links in the description of this video, which can help you getting the cheap hotels, cheap airline tickets, or good travel insurance. So see you guys and enjoy the Philippines. Tartar. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.